Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete profile picture on X. So actually X doesn't have a direct delete your profile picture option. However, you can achieve the look as if you deleted your profile picture on X by deleting your current profile picture and replacing it with a generic default image. So let me show you how to do that step by step. Let's do that together. Open your browser and search X default profile picture. Now let's go to images, and you have to find a clear image of the current generic in gray silhouette. And now let's save it as usual to your photos gallery. Now let's go back to X and let's upload this image as my new profile picture. So tap your profile picture in the top left, and in the side menu you have to select your profile. Now let's press on the button edit profile over here, and now tap on your avatar, this is small icon right here, and select photo library. And from the list of your photos you want to select this photo that you have just downloaded, and additionally you can adjust the image to fit the circle however you want it to be. And let's tap apply, then tap done, and tap save in the top right to save the changes. Now as you can see, my profile picture is the generic default avatar, which makes it look as if I would delete my custom profile picture. So unfortunately that's the only way how you can delete your profile picture on X. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.